Hello everyone, today I'm going to be trying to figure out where this leak is coming from. It's around the filter area on my 94 F150 with a 5.8 liter. So I have already unplugged the wire that plugs into the oil pressure sensor. I think that's what that is, where it looks like it's leaking from. So now I'm gonna go ahead and find the right socket for it and unscrew it. Okay, I've got a 1 1/16 inch socket on there, and so now I'm just gonna loosen it, take it off. So there it is. Okay, so I've went ahead and got a new oil pressure switch. I was kind of confused as to why it would be leaking out of this, but I did some research online and a lot of people said that it can leak through the threads sometimes, so probably could have just put that one back on. But I went ahead and got a new one. I put some RTV around the threads, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on and see if it fixes it. That appears to fix the issue, and also my oil gauge is reading properly now. It was reading way low before, ever since I've had this truck, so it's fixed that issue. I don't know if maybe it was just loose or something, or why it would leak through the threads there, or I don't know where else it could have leaked on that, or if there's maybe something else that could go wrong on those, but that's definitely fixed the issue on this truck.